Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome back to my online video classes. This is your Jessica ma'am once again here with a new lesson from your grammar book. Lesson number 9 and the lesson's name is pronouns. Well, my dears, so what do you mean by a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Let's go through the examples. Example number 1. I ordered a pizza. It was delicious. Number 2. We will reach the stadium in an hour. Ruston is going on a holiday with his friends. They will reach Manali on 4th of November. Number 4. It is very cold today. So here we see that I, it, we and they are the pronouns. Well, my dears, now it's time to learn the kinds of pronoun. There are 6 kinds of pronouns. Number 1, personal pronoun. Number 2, demonstrative pronoun. Number 3, interrogative pronoun. Number 4, reflexive pronoun. Number 5, emphatic pronoun. And number 6, possessive pronoun. Let's see the first form of pronouns, that is personal pronoun. What do you mean by personal pronoun? Pronouns that are used instead of names of people or thing are called personal pronoun. Example number 1. My parents have a house in Nainital. We stay there in summer. Number 2. You have to work harder to pass the test. And number 3. The dog is feeling hot. It is panting. The pronouns we, you and it are used in place of the names of people and animals. Well, my dears, let's go to the detailed part of this personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used in the first, second and third person. So the personal pronoun of the first person refer to the speaker. They are I, we, me and us. And the personal pronoun of the second person is you, refers to the person spoken to. And personal pronouns of the third person refers to the person spoken about. They are he, she, it, they, them, him and her. So personal pronouns have both singulars and plural forms. The table listed the various forms of personal pronouns like first person singular I, me, and plural is we and us. Second person singular you, plural you. Third person singular he, him, she, her, it, and the plural is they and them. The pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they are used as subject of the sentences. Now let's see the second form of pronoun. It is demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. What do you mean by this? Pronouns that are used to point out specific persons or things are called demonstrative pronouns. They are this, that, these and those. Example, this is a cat. That is my book. Those are ducks. These are crows. So, here, this, that, those and these refer to the nouns cat, book, duck and crows. This and that are used for singular nouns. These and those are used for plural nouns. Now, let's see the demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. This is my neighbor's cat. Number 2. This cat belongs to my neighbor. Number 3. These are scented candles. Number 4. These candles are scented. So in the first sentence, in each pair, this and these refer to the nouns cat and candles respectively. They are demonstrative pronouns. And in the second sentence, in each pair, this and these qualify or give more information about the nouns cat and candles. They are demonstrative adjectives. Now let's see the third form of our pronoun, that is interrogative pronoun. Pronouns that are used to ask questions about the noun are called interrogative pronouns. They are who, whose, which, and what. Example: who is that boy? Whose is this book? Which is your seat? What is his intention? So now interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives takes the same forms but performs different functions. Example: number 1, which is your umbrella? Number 2, which umbrella do you want to buy? Number 3, this house is beautiful. Whose it is? Whose house is this? What is today's date? What day is it today? So in the first sentence, each pair which, whose, and what refer to the nouns umbrella, house, and date. The verb is comes immediately after them. They are interrogative pronouns. And in the second sentence, in each pair, which, whose, and what gives more information about the nouns umbrella, house, and day. They come immediately before the nouns they describe. They are interrogative adjectives. Let's see the fourth form of pronouns, that is reflexive pronouns. What do you mean by this reflexive pronoun? It is the pronouns that are used as objects of the verb, that is the receiver of the action, and refers to the same person or thing as the subject, are called reflexive pronoun. They are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, yourself, ourselves, and themselves. Example: I am teaching myself French. Number 2, he enjoyed himself. Number 3, they helped themselves. In each of these sentences, the subject or the doer of the action and the object or the receiver of the action are the same person. So the pronouns used as the subject of the verbs refer back to the subjects. Now let's see the fifth form of pronouns, that is emphatic pronoun. What do you mean by emphatic pronoun? That is, some pronouns draw attention to the subject and take the same forms as reflective pronouns. So these are called emphatic pronouns. Let's see the example. 1. I myself admitted making the mistake. Number 2. The actor himself came to meet his fans. Number 3. They themselves decided to end their quarrel. Here, the pronouns myself, himself, and themselves are used for emphasis. Now, let's see the last form of this pronoun. It is possessive pronoun. What do you mean by possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that show possession or ownership. Example: Number 1, that book is mine. Number 2, this house is ours. The pronouns mine and ours show to whom something belongs. One thing more you have to remember is these possessive pronouns have different forms depending on their numbers and persons. So look at this table. Person, singular and plural. For the first person, the singular will be mine and the plural will be ours. For the second person, singular, yours, and plural will also remain yours. And the third person, the singular will be his or hers, but the plural again changes into theirs. Well, my dears, I hope you understood all the 6 forms of pronouns, that is personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and possessive pronoun. See you all in our next lesson. Till then, do take care of yourself, be at home, and be safe. Thank you.